There's one person we know too well, all of us, and his name is Kamdev. Kamdev, the Lord of lust, the God of mundane material love. He also has a carrier, and his carrier is a makara. A makar is a sea creature, like a fish, generally described as something like a dolphin, but very unique, aquatic animal. So he moves in the water, carrying the god of lust. So the Vahan for Cupid, as we say, or the Kamdev in India, the god of cupidity or material love or romance or material desire, his Vahan is a makara. So when we hear Krishna's Sringhar being described and read about it in Shastra or see in paintings, Krishna is always characteristically wearing Makar Kundala. Because it's symbolic, it means something, that Krishna and Krishna alone is the only Kamadev, Aprakrita Kamadev. Madan Mohan, Sri Krishna. Manmata Manmata Sham. He who churns the mind of that great god of lust and cupidity, who is churning and agitating and whirling and spinning every man and woman's mind in the world since the beginning of time. Lust, Mr. Lust. He rides on Makar. Krishna wears Makar Kundal because he is the original god of spiritual romance, spiritual amor and divine love. And he's inviting everyone, come. You see my Makar Kundala? You see my Makara Kundala in my painting, in my murti? Sometimes the murtis you see in Vrindavan, Radhe Shyam or other murtis, they're wearing Makara Kundala, shaped like this dolphin, this fish type of animal. And very special type of fish. The mouth is like a crocodile. Body is like a dolphin. Nose is like an elephant. A very extraordinary combination. Elephant, dolphin, and crocodile. Makar Dwaj, what do you call it? Makar Dwaj? Crocodile? Magar Much. So it's a Magar Much, a hati, and Machli, a fish, dolphin. Not to be seen these days. I haven't seen one lately. But we see them on Krishna's ears. So he's teaching everyone, listen, you're looking for love, you're looking for romance, you can get it here. See, these are my signs.